Good morning. Today I cycled from St. Regis to Y, Montana. The route followed I-90 on frontage roads and a little bit of I-90 itself. This will be what it's going to be like through most of Montana. And honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was still scenic. I could hear the traffic, but it wasn't awful. And even on the highway, it was acceptable. I ran into an unexpected detour west of Alberton. But the good news is I picked up a couple of bike packers and we rode the detour and had lunch together. Felt just like riding with the Sanibel Bike Club on Saturdays. I had trouble keeping up with them. We chatted quite a bit. It was all good. I stopped at Larry's 6 Mile Bar, which is in the middle of nowhere, and had a snack and topped off my water. And I started chatting with some people there at the bar, made some new friends. They told me about a path that I could take to Y, which is where I was staying. And I took that, and it was beautiful, scenic, and the path was in really good condition. Except I think it was probably hillier than my original route. Good morning. Good morning. So I'm in western Montana, but so far, everybody's been friendly to me. They wave back. This is going to be my experience for a lot of Montana, riding frontage roads near I-90. There'll be a little bit of actual I-90, but not too much. So this is my I-90 experience. Obviously not pleasant, but it's not horrible either. There's plenty of room. I don't feel very unsafe. So I just passed a sign that said CYR, no I-90 access. I'm not sure what that means. I need to come onto I-90 in 8 miles, but I can't believe these are talking about that. Okay, so I just talked to somebody, and turns out the bridge ahead was in fact closed. So I'm going to go back, get on 90, and I'm probably going to finish it. I managed to flag down these two, and we're entering I-90 together. They have a lighter setup than I do. Ooh. I think it was that truck. They're a lot lighter than me.
Got a lot of stuff. Yeah, but you're going cross country.
Yeah. It's like the Saturday ride, except I'm pedaling downhill. I miss you guys. In Alberton. These guys are just a little faster than me. I'll see them there. This is Eric and Sean. I ran into these guys at the detour and we kind of navigated our way to Alberton together.
Just did an 8-day tour, basically western Montana. Started in Missoula, rolling.
Headed north all the way up to Eureka.
Yeah.
And came back down on the other side through Libby and Thompson Falls, St. Regis.
Yeah.
And back to Missoula.
Nice. I'm back on the highway, just a couple miles. So I just met two really nice people at the little restaurant bar back there. They told me about this little trail that's following the frontage road that I'm supposed to use. So I'm on the trail. It's nice. I'm just glad I stopped there. The bar was Larry's 6 Mile. Just one bar in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to take a chance The people I met at the bar said this trail goes right up to 93, which takes me straight into Y. My route goes to the other side of the freeway on the Frontage road. So I think I see the issue. Fine. But this way has a lot more elevation gain. Climbing. And off to the right where I would have been, it looks flatter down in a valley. So I'm seeing the real flaw in this trail. Just as I'm approaching Y, it moves to the north, so I'm going maybe a mile out of my way. And maybe I'm not on the most ideal route, but it's still scenic.